Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now with 2 working keys and the new fob in hand. This is required because the system needs an existing key to enter programming. First, sit in the driver's seat, doors closed except the driver door, which stays open for the procedure. Insert the working key and turn ignition OFF right arrow on don't start 6 times, ending on. This awakens the immobilizer and places the computer into programming mode so it will accept a new remote. Once the ECU is in programming mode, act quickly. Within about 10 seconds, press the lock button on the new key fob for 1 second. The car will respond by locking or honking to confirm acceptance. Make sure to keep the doors and ignition exactly as before. Timing matters because the module only listens for a short window. If you have more fobs to program, press each one's lock button the same way during the same session so the PCM stores them together. To finish, turn the ignition OFF and remove the key. Close doors and test each fob from a few feet away to confirm lock/unlock and panic functions. If a fob fails, first replace its battery and repeat the programming cycle exactly. Most failures are timing or weak battery related. If it still won't register, you likely need a dealer or locksmith to program the transponder or use specialized diagnostic equipment to sync the immobilizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.